Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a QR code in Wix. This is a great way to let visitors quickly access your links, pages, or contact details by simply scanning a code. Let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, make sure you are already in the site editor. To add a QR code, all we need to do is click on Add Elements. From there, we will type QR code in the search bar. This will take us to the results page. If we are not happy with the first result, we can search again in the store for a QR code. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Now let's add it to our site. It's completely free. Click Agree and Add. Once we agree, the QR code will be added to our site. It will appear here on the page. All we need to do now is paste the URL into the field. Just copy and paste the URL so the QR code links to the right place. We can resize it if needed, and we can add as many QR codes as we want. Once we are done editing, we can click Save to apply the changes to our site. And that's how we add a QR code in Wix.